Okay, so does gravity affect your tuning? More specifically, does it affect the process of intonation? Well, I would say yes and no. Reason being, we'll have a look at this. Here's a plain open G on this classic vibe telly. And it's roughly just a shade under. We'll tweak that up. Get it up to 440 or so. Close enough. Anyway, if I lift this up, now I've taken the support to under the neck joint from the support there, and you can see an obvious difference there. Okay. Now if I take it and I put it vertically and rest it on the support, what do we get? Slight deviation. But if I hold it as if I were playing it, you know, just say in my lap, neck is free or whatever, okay? Still a slight deviation. But the point is, in all cases, we have something different case to case to case. In general, the point is you want to intonate the instrument in a normal playing position, that is sitting down where you're comfortable, and then running through your intonation process so that you're not influenced by any outward factors. So imagine, here's a different way to look at it. Imagine tuning your guitar on a bench like so, and then going out to play and finding that it is actually, in tune on the bench, but out of whack on stage. And there you have it. Okay. So yeah, gravity does affect tuning to a point. Pressure or the alleviation of it. It's all part and parcel of getting it done properly. Thanks.